Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by powering the car to accessory or on so the head unit is active. This supplies Bluetooth without running the engine. Once done, enable Bluetooth and visibility on your phone and keep it close to the dash. On the Mercedes display, open the Bluetooth or phone menu and select Add Device or Pair. This starts the discovery process. I explain why. The head unit broadcasts a pairing request, and your phone must respond to create a secure link. After discovery, pick your phone name from the list shown on the Mercedes screen. This tells the car which device to connect to. Then check the PIN or numeric code that appears. It should match on both the car display and your phone. Confirm to authenticate. Make sure to grant permissions for contacts and call /audio access on your phone so the system can sync names and route calls. Doing this ensures full functionality for calls, media, and messaging. Finish by waiting for the connection complete message, then play audio or make a test call to confirm sound and microphone work. If the car won't pair, clear old Bluetooth pairings on both the car and phone and repeat the process to remove conflicts. If that fails, restart your phone and either soft reset or power cycle the Mercedes infotainment system. This clears temporary glitches and usually resolves stubborn pairing errors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.